OhSo.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you aren't a subscriber, I would love to have you. And if you are a subscriber, please turn on your notifications. On today's video, I'm styling Friday night hair GLS67 in a color 1B. Please, Friday night hair, add more colors. Just pulling out a little bit of baby hairs because I'm going to make some faux baby hairs into this lace wig. It's not going to be, perfect, and I feel like when you're dealing with curly units, you don't want the baby hairs to look so perfect and so uniform. So right here you just see me using my shears to lightly cut into the baby hairs. You want to make sure that the cut is not just a straight blunt cut, so angle your shears when you're cutting. And I left these baby hairs pretty long because I'm just swooping them back into the wig, as you can see here. So I also have just the tiniest amount of my edges out so everything can blend in cohesively. So what I like about this unit is that it comes with layers, and it's like the most gorgeous curl, perfect for a date night or special occasion. I went in and added some layers into this hair, and it just set it off perfectly. That was like the most effortless slay. I love Friday Night Hair's hairline, and this unit just came through for me on New Year's Eve. So be sure to let me know down below how you feel about this wig. Have you tried it? Will you be trying it? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.